Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's look is going to be a neon butterfly. This will be a look that will involve the hydro liner from Suva Beauty. So this is going to take a lot of concentration and patience, and I'm going to show you why. This is what we're going to be doing. So you guys want to learn how I do this? Yeah, and go ahead and just keep on watching, okay? Shape over here, it doesn't matter if it doesn't look that perfect because we're gonna use water to clean it up, okay? So let me just get into some of the areas. Alrighty, so I'm gonna be taking the Makeup a Murder loose neon pigments using, oh my god, ignore my fingernails, okay? We're just gonna dab it. We're gonna dab that blue all over. These are such amazing pigments. These are very beautiful shades right here, and plus they're so pigmented. Like all you need is a little bit and then you're good. Is if you guys have any like not recommendations, but like a look that you want me to do, just go ahead and just tag me on my Instagram. Like I would be willing to try something different, a little bit more challenging. Okay, I added too much orange, you guys. Like way too much. And it doesn't matter if it's not even blended well, because we're actually going to be covering it up with some of like the lines over here, so it doesn't have to look so like super duper perfect, okay? You're just going to be covering it up with lines, so there's no point, you know? And I'm not gonna focus on adding like the purple a lot, so I'm just gonna add like a little bit on this side. So it's gonna look like this, so it doesn't matter how it is, because we're just gonna cover it up with the black. Okay. So let me just bring this orange to the front right here. Okay, so this is going to be the hard part for me, because when I do it off camera, obviously I take my time and I go really slow with it. But since I'm on here, I'm just like, okay, how do I do this without messing up, you guys? Okay, so let's get to it. So I'm using the Suva Beauty Grease Hydro Liner. This stencil right here. Some people in the comments on my Instagram, whenever I show them the brushes that I use whenever I do my art, they ask me where I buy them. I go to the Michael's craft store. That's where I buy them. And I always try to get like the super like thin ones over here. And they're like pretty cheap. They're like $3, $2. So that's where I usually get them. Okay, this is really challenging right now. Okay. I'm gonna start right here. So it's gonna look like that, and we're just gonna thicken this line up so it can match right here to the other side of the eye. So okay, so let me go back. We're gonna go back again, okay? And I know we removed some of that black, but we're just gonna go back and add some more because I just want it to be a little bit thick. Okay. I'm gonna try my best to make it even to this one, but I'm pretty sure one eye is gonna look better than the other one, obviously. But okay. So nervous, okay. And then add a little, we'll just give this a little bit more space. I don't want it to be too close. Then this one as well. So it's going to be a little bit more longer. Oh man, I messed up. Okay. Dang, I messed up. Alright. Okay. We'll just thicken these ones up too. Let me just go back with it. And let me just add that eyeshadow real quick. I hope it works out. Okay, so came out good. All right, so for this, we're just gonna draw a circle. And then we're gonna do a C shaped right here. And connect it with this black line, and then we're going to start filling all of this in. You know what, we're going to connect, let me see, let's connect this part. So we're gonna make a line like that. I'm gonna try my best to like make it a little bit longer. There we go, that looks better. And then do one of these, like a curve. This primer, we're not gonna add it to the front too much, so we're just gonna add it right here and then drag it all the way down.
I'm gonna keep moving my head a lot. I'm gonna be like a bobblehead, like.
You can make it thin, you can make it thick, or however you want, okay? But I'm making mine a little bit thick. Long freaking lashes that I purchased off of Amazon a while ago, and I'm only gonna do it, oh, I really like this lighting. Okay, now it's getting better. But I only use them whenever I'm doing like something exotic like this, so this is probably the only time you're gonna see them. Alrighty everyone, so we are done for this look over here. I hope you guys found this tutorial very helpful in some way. I feel like whenever I do tutorials, it's kind of hard for me to like explain myself, so I'm just like, you know what, just watch me instead, because like, I don't know, I feel like showing somebody how to do something is easier than just explaining it, in my opinion. But yes, this is the final look for this neon butterfly look. So go ahead, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.